Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So now, before we get started, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button so you can get an update from us. Also, like, share, and also support this channel using the super thanks below. So now let's get started. So we would want to see where this AUD USD will be moving for this week. So the week that just finished, right? AUD at first give us a bullish move, about close to 100 pips, right? Movement upward. Then during that same week, then the price actually drops further down, right? I think that was not on Wednesday. We had started having that bearish move. No, it was on Thursday. Thursday gave us a bearish move, and likewise Friday kind of gave us a bearish move. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for this week. In order to do so, we would actually start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So when you take a look at this monthly time frame, right, the first question that you ask yourself is that before you place a trade, what is the trend for this movement? So you can clearly see that this is clearly a bearish move. So let's start from this recent movement for the monthly time frame. So this is around 2020, right? Yeah, we'll be having a bearish move on AUD USD. One of the reasons why we were having this bearish move was that USD index or our DXY has been giving us a bullish move. Also, I've done analysis on USD index and our DXY for the week. If you are interested, check it out. So one of the reasons why we were having this bearish move on AUD USD is that AUD has been dropping against our USD. We see that DXY have been going bullish. USD index is going bullish. So any other PS we tend to trade to our USD tends to give us that bearish move. So that is one of the reasons why we were having bearish move. Now, if you take a look at the month of October, right, then price started changing its direction. DXY started falling. That is why any other pairs we were trading to our DXY tends to give us a bullish move. So we can see this huge candlestick week here, right? Price kind of, will I say indecision. Then the month of November, DXY actually fell hard. Then, this is one of the reasons why we had a bullish move on AUD USD. Now, if you take a look at this month of December, price first of all gave us a bullish move. Now it is dropping. So I personally see this drop as a pullback. After the pullback, which is more visible on the daily time frame, though on the monthly time frame, it will be clear once the month end. As at now, we are still in the month, so it's kind of like a bearish move. But once the month end, you will see that this price will actually close bullish. So on the daily time frame, it is giving us like a pullback. But on the monthly time frame, this is kind of red. So we would want to still continue our bullish move. That is still to tell you that AUD USD, we are still on a bullish move. So still be expecting a further bullish move on AUD USD. And by that time on the monthly time frame, I believe the price should have broken above our 10 period moving average. So AUD USD, guys, we still speculate a bullish move for the month. Now let's see what this weekly time frame actually says. So when you take a look at this weekly time frame now, you can see the trend for this. So you can consider this as an impulse move and take a look at this as a pullback here. And we would see this as an impulse move and here as a pullback, right? Of course, after that, a new ice needs to be made. You can take a look at this ice that broke this previous ice, right? On AUD USD, now we've gotten a pullback. So after the pullback, one thing we all should be expecting next is an impulse move. So AUD USD, right? Expect a further bullish move. And you can also see this price is actually trading above our moving average, which is our 10 period moving average. You can see it, price is still trading above our moving average. So still an indication that we are still on a bullish move. We should still consider a bullish movement on this AUDSD, except this price just drops further down and break below our moving average. If price can eventually drops and breaks below this 10 period moving average, then we might consider selling. But as at now, price is still trading above our moving average. So we still see this as a bullish move or an impulse move. That should take us to the daily time frame. So you can see the trend on the daily time frame. Clearly, there's only one movement you are all having: higher highs and higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows. That is uptrend move. So let's start it from here. You can see this trend, which is an higher highs, and here comes higher lows, a new higher highs, and here we've gotten is an higher lows. right? A new higher highs, and now this is an higher lows. Take a look at this new higher highs that broke this previous highs, and here comes an higher lows. This is a new higher highs that broke this previous highs, and now we've kind of got like a pullback. You can consider this as a double bottom, right? If you want. So once the market opens next, be expecting a further bullish move. And one of the reasons why we will be expecting a further bullish move is that this is our USD index. We will be expecting a drop on this our DXY or USD index. Now take a look at this USD index, right? You see that this is a lows, and here comes a pullback, right? This is another lows. Here we got a pullback. This is a new lows that was made, and there comes a pullback, right? No doubt. This is a new lows, and guess what we've got now? This is a pullback. Now we believe that the pullback will be over. Now that this pullback will be over, what do you expect? A further drop. And as this USD index or DXY will be giving us a drop, then be expecting a further bullish move on AUD USD. So as USD or DXY is dropping, then our AUD to USD should definitely spike up and give us that bullish move. So that is why for this week, AUD USD, we should expect a bullish move. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame actually says. Notice that we would want to go long on the 4 hour. We would want to go long on this trade, right? We would want to go bullish, but this 4 hour time frame is clearly still showing us a bearish move, right? The best thing we would wait is when we see multiple breakout structure upward. We are seeing an higher highs get to an higher lows. You take a look at an higher highs again, you see an higher lows, then you can go ahead to take your highs, or you can possibly be patient enough for another highs to be made. Then once a pullback has been made, then you can go ahead to take your trade on this AUD USD and go long. So first of all, there are two things you would want to watch. First of all, you want to see multiple breakout structure upward on the 4 hour time frame before you consider placing your buy. Secondly, you would want to see this price trade above the moving average. You can clearly see that this price is still trading below this moving average. Notice that we would want to go long on the AUD USD, but this price is trading below this moving average. So the best thing is we have to just stay out of this trade and wait. Possibly once this price give us that bullish move and it is trading above this moving average, then and then you can go ahead to go long on AUD USD. And now let's see what this 1 hour time frame actually says. So same thing, right? You still want to see the same movement, higher highs and higher lows upward, and the price should be trading above this moving average. Then you can go ahead to take your buy on AUD USD for the week. So thank you.